It looks like Lenovo will be the latest to take a run at Microsoft's Surface 201 computers, but with a slightly different approach. The Lenovo Mix 630 takes the Surface form factor and joins it with Windows 10s, a Snapdragon 835 processor, and 4G LTE service to deliver true anytime, anywhere mobility. Like the Surface, the Mix has a detachable keyboard, adjustable hinge, and included digital pen. While this is already a very mobile-friendly style, the less than 3-pound device truly untethers you with its impressive battery life, up to 20 hours of local video playback. The use of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 835 also facilitates low-power, always-connected features, such as the ability to receive notifications while the device is in sleep mode, all while taking a significantly smaller toll on your battery life. Waking the device from sleep mode will also be much quicker and more fluid, ideally akin to the experience of locking and unlocking your phone. Join all of these features with built-in 4G LTE service, and you have a powerful, quick, and long-lasting device which is equipped to deliver on its promise of true anytime, anywhere mobility. Windows 10s will ship with the device, but offers a free upgrade to Windows 10 Pro if done within 180 days. This will likely affect battery life and performance, but hopefully to a negligible degree. The Mix starts at $799 and includes the keyboard and pen. Carrier support and availability hasn't yet been established, but the Mix 630 will be available in Q2 of 2018. I'm Corey Gaskin with Phone Arena. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more coverage of CES 2018.